Hello guys, how are you? We in this video want to tell about you about my best vacations in Pasto Nariño. The trip was there years ago, and for me it was very pleasant because I had heard many people about the beautiful place that's in Pasto. This is Pasto. Mm, mm, I traveled from the Cali Valle terminal, and it was a trip too long for me. I had never traveled more than 5 hours. Uh, mm, when arrived at Pasto, mm, I felt very welcome. Its inhabitants are very friendly and cordial. I was for night to attend um, the carnival of blacks at white that takes at place in the city, and for me it was something very different products. Mm, you see this region. I invite you to go and enjoy this beautiful city, and you will be very satisfied. Thank you very much.